Hi, it's Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut, and thank you for joining me and for tuning in. Quick introduction, this patient I'm about to show you is a guy named Jim. He's 68, healthy, active guy who has a lot of frontal hair loss. He's considered Norwood 5A. He has the advantage of somewhat wavy hair, which is great. We did one transplant, and his hair looks great after a year. It looks totally natural, which I think is always paramount. He was hesitant to use any medications to support his existing hair, but I think he is using some topical products, topical finasteride and minoxidil, with good results in terms of retention of his existing hair. This is 1 year and one transplant later. Jim's feeling better about himself.
My hair is great. I love my hair. I'm very happy with it. Everybody keeps telling me how much hair I have, and nobody ever used to say that to me.
Nice, nice. How has it changed your outlook?
I'm not self-conscious anymore.
Oh, that's great.
Thanks very much, Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut.